Alright guys, are you ready for our next experiment? So yesterday I told you we were going to do an experiment on capacity using beans and water. I might have told you a little story. I'm going to change up the experiment a little bit, but this way you will get to perform your own experiment at home. So, we're going to measure the capacity of these 3 cups. Now if you look at the cups, you're going to think, Miss Halloran, those cups are all exactly the same. You're right, they are. But their capacity is going to be different based on the objects we put in them. So my goal is to make each cup full. But I'm going to make it full with different objects because the number of objects, the amount of capacity that it's going to hold for that object is going to be different based on the object I put in it. So in my first cup, some golf balls. So I'm going to count as I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, and technically that's full because it's overflowing the top. So I have 4 golf balls in there. Now if you look, I have lots of empty space in my cup. So this cup is full of golf balls, but it's not truly full because there's lots of empty space. But that is the amount of golf balls that this cup can hold. So this is full to capacity of golf balls. Now, if I use something else, do you think it's going to be full? And the next thing I have is some cotton swabs. Miss Helen had to get creative. I only have so much at my house. If I do 1, 2, 3, 4 cotton swabs. Okay, I have 4 cotton swabs. Is this to the same capacity? No. This is basically empty while this is full. So even though it's the same container, even though it's the same cup, the capacity for golf balls is different than the capacity of some cotton swabs. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to try to fill this up. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. About halfway. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And look how I can change the direction of these cotton swabs to truly fill up my cup. I can change the direction and I can form the cotton swabs to fill the capacity of my cup even more. What was I at? 22, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Still not full. Gonna run out of cotton swabs. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Ooh. Self it a little bit more. 39. 40. Alright, that's pretty good, pretty full. So I have 40 cotton swabs, little cotton rounds in here. And you can look that I don't have all that empty space like I do with my golf balls. So the amount that my cup can hold, the capacity of my cup is different if I have golf balls or cotton swabs, because the amount of space that these items take up is differently. This is a lot bigger. This doesn't bend and move like this does. I could push these down. I could probably fit more in there, but y'all get the idea. It's nice and full. The last thing I have, which we're not going to count because we'd be here forever, is some rice. Talon does not like rice, so I don't know why I have so much rice in my house, but we're going to do some scoops. Okay, I have a scoop. Now, if I were to count all these rice, there's probably like hundreds and hundreds of little rice pieces in here. So we're just going to count scoops. So I have 1 scoop. That's about halfway. And 2 scoops. Gotta level it out. Alright, I got, making a mess. I got about 2 1/4 scoops, which this is probably like thousands of pieces of rice. Like I said, I'm not going to count all of it. If you want me to bring it to your house and you can count it for something to do, I gladly will bring it over. Just let me know. But as you can see, the capacity, even though these cups are all exactly the same size, they're the same amount. If I were to do the water test like I did yesterday, they would have all held the same amount of water, but the capacity is different based on the items that we put in it. So today, your job is to do the same experiment, but you have to find things at your house. So I want you to find 3 cups that are the same, or you can reuse the same cup as you're making your video, but I want you to pick 3 different objects and measure the amount that item that your container can hold based on the different capacity, the different flexibility of your items. So if you have any questions, let me know. You can submit these videos, discussion posts, seesaw, whatever works for you. You just let me know. If you have any questions, again, let me know. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on capacity. Tomorrow we're going to do a word problem. See ya!